Hello, fam. Are you wondering where you are in Google Maps? Well, we're going to take a look at your current position. In this video, we're going to take a look at your current position in Google Maps, and whether you're lost or just curious, this video is for you. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to find yourself in Google Maps. Alrighty, welcome to this video. Now, this is some really good tea, okay? When you go to Google Maps, you need to appear either first, second, or third. Anything beyond those three positions in Google Maps, now this is if you are a local business or a school, you need to appear when someone is searching in those top three slots. If you're not, then you're missing out on a lot of business. Okay. So, what I've done is I've run a custom heat map report for a private and affordable private high school in Atlanta. That's what I typed into the Google search. So if you're looking for an affordable private high school, and the reason why I typed in affordable private high school is because that is that is a conversion word, affordable. That means that somebody is looking to buy, right? So if they're looking for an affordable private high school, then somebody is looking they're looking to that's there is more than just a general search. Okay. Now, I was trying to find out where Woodward Academy ranked, and this is just an example. Okay. So these were the results. So when you do the keyword affordable private high school in Atlanta, this particular search is 570 over 578,000 times people are conducting this search. That's huge. So imagine out of 578,000 times that these keywords are used, you want to make sure that your business is getting in front of these people who are doing this search. Can you imagine missing out on all of those customers? Okay. So, in doing this search, I'm going to go right down to the results map. Now, what you see in green, let me zoom in a little bit. All right. So, the goal is to see green. Green, money, get it? Okay. So, if you see a green circle or a green dot, that's a good thing. 1, 2, or 3. If you see yellow, that's okay, but it's not 1, 2, or 3. And then if you see red, that's not good. Okay. So now let's take a look at this map. If a person is searching from this location, and I want to say, I cannot see. Okay, so that's Marietta. So let's say someone is searching for from Marietta, and they're searching for an affordable private high school, and they're standing in Marietta. Woodward Academy is going to show up 10th. The schools that show up 1, 2, and 3. So that means that these schools are optimizing their Google Maps listing and probably their website for Marietta. Okay. Let's look at number 1. So this means that Woodward Academy, if someone was standing in South Fulton, specifically College Park, Woodward Academy has a location in College Park. So they should show up as number 1 if you're standing right there in College Park. But that really doesn't do any good, because if somebody's in College Park, they know where Woodward Academy is. Okay. So 1, 2, or 3 is the goal. Hopefully this makes sense. So now you can see just by this map, and I did this in a 5-mile radius. So within 5 miles of Atlanta, if someone does a search for an affordable private high school in Atlanta, this is where Woodward Academy would show up, and these are the results that would show up. And so Woodward is number 10. So I hope this was helpful. If you would like to have a report run for your business, then go to my website. And if you go to the contact page, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see book an appointment. Because what I'd like to do is I would like to talk to you about where your business is currently located on the in the Google Maps, and then also come up with a strategy for changing all of those yellows or reds to greens. Okay? And keeping you there. Again, this is a line with Digital Glow Consulting, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching.